I always have done so many different types of forms of artwork, but I always thought making portrait is something which I can never do in my life, because so many had asked me and I had always told no, that is not my cup of tea, like I can't do it. But then I accidentally happened to come across in Instagram and I joined. But I never thought even for one single day that okay, my artwork would come up like this, wherein even including my husband friends, everybody will be waiting after each class session. Next day morning they ask me, Tosi, what you have done, show it up. Like, they all are more eager to see what you have been teaching us. They know how passionately you're teaching, and especially my husband will be listening to the classes in between. He'll be like, oh, sir is very strict, he'll be always telling that, this has to be done, that has to be done. Like, he knows that, like, how passionate you are when it comes to teaching also. I used to travel from Chunchungiri to Bangalore like 3 hours, like whole of the bus I used to carry all my artwork, everything, preserving it, then get it back, including my staffs. Everyone knew, okay, Grishma's joined some art class, she's doing it. Everyone used to ask me, show, how have you upgraded yourself, show the next one, show the next process. They used to keep asking me. When I posted my first portrait, in the Instagram also, so many of my seniors, students, so many asked me. They're like, oh ma'am, you have joined some class now, you're doing something. Like, everybody was so happy to see it, sir. Thank you so much. And that happened only because of you. Because I had left it thinking, okay, that is something I can't do. Because I tried so many artworks, but this was something which I was never able to succeed properly. So you were the one who guided me in the right way at the right time, probably. So thanks a lot, sir.